Hello everybody, just like to show you my little invention. It's a little camp air conditioner or a room air conditioner. So it's on a 240 volt fan, but you can make it any which way you want to. So if you want to run it off a solar panel or 12 volts, so it runs off your car. But this I've just got plugged in. It's 240 volt, so you can run it on a generator when you go camping. And all it is it's just a fan in an esky, ice. Normally I have 10 litres of ice frozen, but I've only got 2 at the moment because the rest are in the freezer. So what I've done is I've obviously cut out a circle in there and I've put the fan in the top. Use some Sikaflex, no more gaps. Glued it in so it's sturdy, not going anywhere. Cut another little hole here, put a PVC bend in there to direct the air to wherever you want it to go. So it just works like an aircon, so I'll just turn it on. You've got 2 speeds. Got a low speed. See it's working, blowing the bits of paper. Or a high speed. See it's blowing the paper a lot more. Now also is this little thing. It's an extension, so that's my bed, that's where I sleep, and just put this on. So you got that in there and that just slides in there nicely. There you have it, got an extension. So right up there to my head is blowing cold air conditioned air. So in a tent, obviously you wouldn't need an extension unless you wanted to. It'll only take about half an hour. In a tent, I reckon, to cool down, especially with 10 kilos of ice in there. You can also get dry ice and use dry ice. But yeah, it's perfect, especially when it's going to get hot and heavy. Hang on a second. It's perfect for when things are going to get hot and heavy with your missus. Thank you very much. It's another production.